Here is computer 404 from the group. This is probably the most interesting one. This is an Averatec, and this one came with the Windows XP Media Center Edition 2005. This bottom here is all metal, and this is pretty old. It looks like on the inside. It's got a AMD processor, NVIDIA graphics, Windows XP, Windows Vista capable. So let's plug this up here and see if this will work. Is it on? Yeah, it's on. This adapter is a volt short. I don't know if that would cause it to behave the way it is. I don't hear a drive or anything going. Fan isn't running. The drive light kind of flicked a couple times, and that was it. Well, just for purposes of curiosity, let's see if we can pull that drive out of here. In case you haven't watched the other videos in the series, we're not really attempting to repair these machines, which is why I'm giving up very easily. The only request was to remove the documents and so forth. So there's something flaky going on with this screw, but it looks like it'll come off just fine anyways. And we'll take all these screws off and let's see if I can grab the drive out of here. I was kind of hoping this one would work, because this is old enough to be interesting to me. But perhaps that won't be the case. If they put a screw under this foot, I'm going to be very upset with Averatec. Nope, they didn't. Good for them. Okay, so let's see what we have here. There's the drive. And how does it come out? This drive is a SATA, is expecting an ID. It's the Hitachi, July 2006. Just for purposes of curiosity, let's try to start it up now. See what happens. And again, I'm really not trying to fix this very hard, because nobody was looking to use it. But if I could get it to work, why not? Okay, so it's not really showing any signs of life there. I'll try pulling this memory module out. I hate working on laptops. Whatever happened to desktops where they're actually big enough to manipulate this stuff? Even the desktops now are turning to like made the same way where everything's too stinking small. Nope, nothing on this one either. Could try an external screen, I suppose. Okay, so I guess the camera wasn't on record, but I did connect it to the screen and it didn't do anything. I tried pulling out the RAM module, it still didn't do anything. So I think we're going to consider this one to be a bust. I will try it again when I get that new adapter in, because this calls for 20 volts and the adapter I have is only 19 volts. But I'm not super confident in this machine's operation. So if the video ends here, the new adapter didn't do anything. If the new adapter makes it work, then you'll see that now.